Let's explore how these legendary luxury cars are built from scratch. The entire process begins with the assembly of the mighty V12 engine. This complex component is carefully constructed by experienced technicians. Simultaneously, the powertrain is assembled in another area. Once ready, the engine is meticulously attached to the powertrain, forming the heart of the car. Meanwhile, the aluminum chassis receives its paintwork. This painting is done with extreme care, not only to prevent corrosion, but also to achieve the flawless, deep aesthetic finish. Rolls-Royce is famous for. The painted chassis is then transferred to the main assembly line. Here, the chassis are lined up, ready for the integration of all other components. First, the complete engine and powertrain unit is carefully lifted and secured into the frame, with all necessary mechanical and electrical connections made. The iconic Rolls-Royce Spirit of Ecstasy is then hand-installed on the grille and checked for perfection. In another section, artisans craft the stunning Starlight headliner by hand, weaving thousands of optic fibers into the leather roof to create a celestial constellation. Most of the work is done manually with incredible precision. The interior parts, for instance, are thoroughly cleaned and inspected before being installed. The hand-stitched leatherwork alone takes 2 weeks to complete, requiring 9 specially selected hides for each car. These hides are pre-shrunk and drum-dyed for an even color, a softer feel, and a longer life. Workers then assemble the opulent interior, where each set of wood veneers is sourced from a single tree to ensure a perfect grain match. Rolls-Royce maintains an extremely stringent quality control process. Every single element is thoroughly checked before the car proceeds to the next phase of production. The focus then shifts to the exterior and final assembly. The convertible's functionality is rigorously tested, and the engine and battery systems are put through their paces. One of the most critical tests is the water leakage check, where the car is sprayed with water from all directions to simulate a torrential downpour and ensure no moisture enters the cabin. Finally, the car is ready for its suspension test. The sophisticated air suspension and smooth power delivery combine to create the famous air cushioned magic carpet ride that defines the driving experience. The remaining artistic touches are applied before the final, comprehensive quality control. In total, each Rolls-Royce passes through 60 pairs of highly skilled hands before it reaches its owner. Every aspect from the exterior body, door frames, and rear lights to the metallic work, interior perfection, and all car functionalities is meticulously inspected. Which part of the process did you find the most fascinating? Let us know in the comments below. This response is AI generated and for reference purposes only.